Today, Chavches Sivan. Chavches Sivan in the second parsha of Korach. Today is the day as in Tavshin Aleph, which is 1941, the Rebbe and the Rebbitzin, as the Rebbe made a note to say that he and his wife were saved from Nazi Germany. We have an idea of what it means that the Rebbe came from Nazi Germany and saved by the last ship. But I want to say something, and later on we will speak about in the next few days, between Chavches Sivan till Gimel Tammuz, we will speak about different things which we learned from the Rebbe's coming. But we look at the Sicha of the previous Rebbe, Tavshin Aleph, which is Shavuos Tavshin Aleph, which is Zayin Sivan. Zayin Sivan happens to be 3 weeks before the Rebbe actually came to. And he said, look what's doing. You can explain according to Lumdis, you can explain all different things, but he says we're not speaking populim, but we'll let us speak openly. He says, what is accepted in the world is when we're waiting for a special guest, so we make preparations for the guest. We make it 2 weeks beforehand, we clean the house, and we make it spotless. The whole family is speaking about the person that's coming. Also the neighbors are speaking about it. When will this person come? And pretty soon he's coming. So this is, you should know, he says, that the time is coming, is very close. Mashiach's coming, you have to know, and we have to prepare ourselves for such a guest. And then the Rebbe speaks about different things, how you have to explain yourself, and you have to prepare yourself. And the Rebbe, we know, send different Rabbanim to go see the previous Rebbe, to see the Rebbe and his daughter. And he told him, you want to know who my son-in-law is? My son-in-law is someone which knows everything. Bavli, Yerushalmi, he knows Chassidus, Kabbalah, he knows everything. He said, and a lot more than I said. So in other words, when the Rebbe came, the Rebbe, even though he was a son-in-law, and even though he concealed himself and went with a short jacket and with a gray suit and hat, still he went, and as much as he tried to hide himself, the previous Rebbe said who he is and gave an idea of what the Rebbe is. This we understand when comes Chavches Sivan. It is a special day which gives us koach and gives us power, that even though we are in Chatzi Kader Atachton, as it's called, the lower part of the world, we can still go and make the world and change the world in our being, in the way we are, make it a place for the Eibishter.